Hey, what's going on? Thank you for coming back to Rock Steady Stocks for Taking Profit Tuesday for February 18, 2020. And the hot stock on the play right now is Bravo Lima Papa Hotel. That's BLPH. That's currently up 69% with only about 397,000 in volume. Let's go ahead and look at that chart. Bam, looking at the chart. You already see we got pre-market highs at $6.10. We have a nice little double top red to green move right here. Correction, green to red move right here at 605. So I want to make sure it breaks $6 for 605 first, and then at 610 for me to enter that trade. Then you look down here at the 1 year chart. Is a recent reverse split on 2/7/2020 for 1 to 15. So hopefully that will be able to push the stock up to 650 and then to $7. So go every 50 cents or every quarter to go ahead and take a profit. So that's the stock I'll be watching today on our scan. So come join us here at Rock Steady Stocks. Remember, we're not gurus. We're just soldiers and everyday people like yourself. Hey, and as always, we love to have fun. Hey, what's going on, y'all? This is an after action review. I just came back from the dentist, as you see. I had a crazy today. It's currently up 220%, but I took a loss on that stock. I got in as, for some reason, I chased the stock. I didn't look at the charts exactly. Didn't see the 9-day. The 9-day was slightly above the VWAP, but it pushed right back down. I got in at 6.99 while I was trying to get out of a swing trade, and it dropped. So I ended up getting out. Had to go to the dentist's office, but that's neither here nor there. Then if I could stay there and just kept looking, as you see right here during pre-market hours, this 550 was support. It bounced off that 550, and if you wanted to be safe, you could get in at this high, but I would have lost some money. I mean, you would have lost some money because not getting in early, or wait for that confirmation when it's 9-day moving average cross over to the VWAP. That's one of the stuff that we teach here at Rock Steady Stocks. And then if you got in at this part, let's just say right when it opened at 636 and shot all the way to 1139. I mean 1198. I mean, that was a great trade today. Sorry. Hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, as videos will get better and the introduction will get better as we grow this YouTube channel. But yeah, that's my story for BLPH. It took me out, and then it kept going. Then I had to get this tooth done, and just a bad day for me. But tomorrow's another day. That's Matching Motion Wednesday. I will not let this trade bring me down. I will just look for the next trade, the next setup, and do better. And remember, we're not gurus. We're soldiers and everyday people just like yourself. And as always, I'm Alex from Rock Steady Stocks, and I'm out.